And more about that as well later on. Okay, so time.
Of all expenses, your time is the most irrecuperable.
Time. Time is really a really big deal. When it comes to time, it's very important that we know how long things take. It's about knowing how long things take to do. So if you're doing your email in the morning, how long does that take? If you're doing how long are your appointments? How long does it take you to write a post? How long does it take you to and just before I start this, I'm not going to watch the whole thing. It's online if you want to watch it. So the essence of what this is about here is making the most of your time in terms of fitting things in when and where you can. So this is about scheduling. It's about putting together a little mini campaign to push a news item, a recent partnership that a company's had. And it really is how you define where they go and when they happen is entirely up to you. But you must also be aware that this needs to be prepped ahead of time. Now, once that is prepped ahead of time, you're then going to have to put in a background of activity. So this has been made for LinkedIn, and you also really need to have entries here for your Instagram if you're doing that, for your Twitter again if you're doing that. Not related to this, you see, not related to the campaign.